Dream beauty factor, gonna catch me after I go get this beat. Oh, I know you want some laughter, we'll make it happen after, not before I spice up on my heat. For this beat, yeah. Get your concealer and a pencil.
Hey, I am back. This is gonna be. It look like it's studio or whatever, but sit down. But I'm gonna take y'all along today and talk to y'all. I'm gonna show y'all that I found these dollar, these lashes, the individual lashes in Dollar Tree, and I think I paid like $1.25 for them. Versus that I paid $5.99, and I mean I could see the difference in them. Hold on, y'all. It's a difference. Get out. Move. Talking to my dog. He always in the way. It's a difference in them. Cause you can tell the difference in them between the INV ones. It's a little thicker, but they doable, y'all. Cause I had some on, but I'm gonna show y'all in a few minutes. Like these right here. Oh no, that's not the ones I wanted. These right here. Look, see. Yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all that you can get you some Dollar Tree lashes and for an inexpensive price. They should name that store. It ain't Dollar Tree, it's Dollar and More now. That's what they need to name it. Hold on, let me get it out. And I got to take my dog to the vet today, so I'm gonna take y'all along, and I got to run and pick up a few things and then come back home. It's not too much to be done today. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hold on. I'm trying to get this thing open. I'm trying to get it done so I can get out of here, because I got to be out of here by, I got time. It's 10:16. I got to be there by 11:45. So, of course, I'm going to get my famous, Callus, long-lasting, what I got off of Amazon. Let me turn this around. If y'all guys want to, if y'all guys want this, I will link it in the description box below. Okay? So, yeah, this thing, and it's by, the lashes are by, let me read it before I get started. The lashes are by Onyx, and it's false mink, individual lashes extension, 100% handmade, and it's Onyx cosmetic, and they got all the social media handles on the back right there. And let's see here. This right here said 3-strand wispy volume long, and it's 16 lashes. And they got different color boxes. Okay, this one right here is 3-strand wispy natural short. Right here. And this one, same thing. I got 2 of each. And this one, yeah, the wispy volume. Okay. And this one right here, I think I wore these already. And these are called the 3-strand wispy medium full. Right here. So yeah, they got different ones. So I got me a good bit of them, because I, try to keep up in case I have to do lashes or whatever. So let's get started. Let's take these glasses off and let's get started, okay? I don't know if I'm too far away from y'all guys. Let me kind of put y'all up close. Okay. Hope y'all can see it. Alright, let me get my handy dandy hand mirror, and I always put it on the magnifying glass, the magnified side, so it can be up close so I can see it, what I'm doing, okay? Alright, I did this video before, but I just want to show y'all how I do these, okay? So let's get started. Oh, my face, y'all, Lord, it ain't bad, but I like to get under the lashes, and then we're gonna wait 30 seconds, which is not long. We're gonna wait 30 seconds. So let's wait 30 seconds for a minute. Yeah, so guys, I'm getting ready to, what's that? Oh, I'm getting ready to put out a video for y'all guys soon, but I just want to do this vlog to add to this. Yeah, I'm just, that's what I want to do for y'all guys, because I know I haven't been on here. So yeah, that's what I want to do. Let me turn this light on so I can see. But yeah, y'all, that's my plan. I don't have too much plan today. And I'll be showing y'all, I think I had already showed y'all, I'm getting ready to show y'all the office. I'm getting ready to show you the new products that I made. Shameless plug. Again, I'm putting in my video. And guys, if y'all want any of the items, please let me know. I will put my email down. Y'all can email me because I don't have a website right now. I don't have a website right now, so but I will eventually. So let's get started. All right, we're gonna pull it off. You can tell the difference in the quality. And okay, I don't like that white strip stuff on there, so let's take it, and like I always do, and you hold your eyelash, your eye up, eyelid. Okay, I can't find my words this morning. See how long? There you go. Got it on there. And then, man, ever since I seen these lashes, I ain't went back. Been doing them again. Look, I ain't went back, and I'm not going back. I don't want that white stuff showing. Yeah, that glue stuff that hold on. Yeah, I don't want that showing. I ain't look bad. Yeah. Yeah, I am. Ooh, yeah, these are cute. So yeah, I put this was it Onyx? I hope I'm saying it right. I'll put their information in the description box below. But they selling them in the Dollar Tree. So if your Dollar Tree, they should have them. So yeah. Yeah, but I'll probably be speeding this up, so y'all won't be sitting here looking at me forever. But y'all get the gist of it, right? But yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one slow so y'all can see, and then the next I'll speed it up. Yeah. And look, this whole pack can do both eyes. So you don't have to see, if you buy enough, you don't have to worry about it. And if you you know, just like you get the regular eyelashes done through somebody else, and I'm not trying to take away from the eyelash people, make your money, but you do like they do, this wash around your eye, make sure you keep them clean, don't get them wet. They'll last, cause mine lasts about what, 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, some might fall off, but I can put them back on with my glue. So yeah. So if you can't afford to go, and you know how to, I didn't know how to do this either, y'all, but I sat down here and learned, because I'm a person that I'll try first before I say I can't do it, and then still be trying to do it. And try your best to get it as even as possible. Try your best. It ain't easy, but you can. It's the only thing about theirs, they have that glue white stuff on there. Unless that's what they're trying to stick the eyelash to, but nope. Matter of fact, let me get some more glue right here. And just take it. And be careful, don't stick yourself in the eye, y'all. Just be careful. Uh-oh. Why you got to show off when I'm on camera? You usually go on. Why you got to show off? And there you are. See? Alright, let's do the other eye. Okay, let's do the other eye. Try to get every strand you can of your eye, of your lashes, okay? And there we go. 30 seconds. And see, you still got some left. I don't know if you can see that on there. And you could do both eyes with one pat. So what I like about it, they got different types. Some people don't like the long ones. I think they got little natural ones. Yeah, these are the shorter ones. I like those. Next time I'm gonna try those and let you know. Yeah, those are nice. So I start up. Alright, let's put this on. Now with this eye, I can't start from the back. I have to start from the front, and it's weird. Let me see what time it is. 20 seconds, okay. It's weird. Yeah, I have to start from the front and work my way back. I don't understand that. And make sure it's not in your eye, because it will irritate you. That's it. And just kind of put them together. I kind of like mine sit for a minute as I put them on there, and it leaves like you got 2 left on there. I let it sit for a minute and then I pull it together or whatever. So y'all, that's it. I just want to come over here and show y'all the Dollar Tree individual lashes. So you can get it get it done inexpensively. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to come on and show you that. So you end up having 2 left, and you can start with another box. So guys, go check your local Dollar Tree out and see if they got it, and let me know, or let me know in the comment section that y'all already saw these lashes and y'all tried them, you know. So just let me know. All right, guys, y'all know when it's an event, I got some content. And I'm not through with y'all today, because y'all gonna be coming along with me today, okay? So I ain't even gonna say my my signature intro. So well, outro anyway. So I just want to come in here and just to show y'all how I did them, and y'all tell me what you think. Yeah, from Dollar Tree. All right, guys, love you, and I'll see you in a few minutes.